Hey, it's your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to update Windows 10 to its latest version without losing a single thing. Step 1, go to your search menu and type in updates, and you're going to select check for updates. Next, all you're going to do is you're going to see the update screen. You're going to just click check for updates, and it's going to run and check for updates. Might take a while, so be patient. All right, when it's done running, you're going to see you can either click view optional updates, and you can look at some stuff you may want or may not want, or you can look at what the results were. So it says right here that there's a free results. I can download and install them if I choose to or not. Another way to update your Windows 10 to make sure you have the latest build is actually just go on the internet. So go to Google and in the search type in media creation tool, and then in the search results you're going to get Microsoft comment number 1. It's going to say download Windows 10 disk ISO. So once you get to Microsoft site, there's going to be two options. The update now button, which is essentially a quick way to update to the latest software. It's going to look at your Windows 10 now and give you all the additional updates you don't have. Or you can do a completely new install where you can update an entire operating system. So this tool is going to actually download a completely most up-to-date operating system with everything new. Just make sure you have a license, and this is a way to update your Windows 10. Now for quickness, if you just wanted to update some stuff that you have on your system that's not updated, then you can just click update now through this method as well. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase I subscribed in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.